Hello and welcome once again to my kitchen for yet another round of lazy cooking. As you can see, with all these eye bags and everything, I am very sleepy. So the last thing I want to do is to go through all that effort and trouble to brew a nice cup of coffee. So what I want is something very strong, very potent, and something that is easy to do for tired, sleepy me. Alright? So what are we going to do today? We're going to do the Turkish method of brewing coffee because it is super easy to do, and yeah, it's kind of very lazy method of brewing coffee. Yeah, so I encourage you to give this a try. Then once you know how to brew your own coffee, yeah, you don't have to settle for instant coffee or waste so much money spending money on coffee outside. Yeah? Two things that you need in order to brew coffee the Turkish method way. Yeah. First and foremost, of course, you need ground coffee, not instant coffee. Yeah, ground coffee beans. Doesn't have to be this brand. Can be any other brand that you like. Right. Now, I tell you what's one good thing about having your own ground coffee beans at home. When you're bored or tired of life or just sleepy and you need to get a kick in life, just open it up and inhale. It's my life guilty pleasures. Oh my god, so heavenly. Give it a try, I tell you, it's so wonderful. Even people who don't love coffee, they smell this, they will feel like they're in heaven. Oh, so good. Okay, anyway, so that's item number one. Item number two is you need a small little pot. Okay, I got this from NTUC for about $5. So the pot should be narrow and tall. Okay, here's my hand for scale. Okay, now it doesn't have to be a pot like this, and I don't think you need to spend like $40 on the authentic Turkish coffee brewing pot. It's ridiculous, you know, something like this $5 from NTUC will suffice. Yeah, or doesn't have to have this handle. You know, as long as it's narrow, okay, and tall. Why is that the case? We need the tallness because we're going to boil the coffee beans in water. And what's going to happen is that when the coffee is brewing, it will start to foam upwards. Okay, so you want the foam to rise, then that's why you need the height. Okay, all right. So without further ado, let me show you how to make coffee the Turkish method way, or rather my lazy method of Turkish coffee brewing. All right, let's go. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Okay, we need to fill this pot with water. How much water do you need to put in? Okay, now let me tell you what I like to do. All right, I like my coffee to be half cup coffee, half cup milk. All right, so in order to make half cup coffee, then of course I need half cup of water. So I'll transfer that in like so, and then all you need to do is put about a tablespoon of ground coffee beans like this much. Okay, now, if you're not a very strong coffee drinker, you might want to reduce the amount of coffee that you put in, okay? Because otherwise, you will have a crazy psychotic caffeine buzz. Or in some cases, if you put too much coffee beans into it, then you get diarrhea a few hours later. So that's not very nice. Okay, now that we have put the coffee into the water, now we have to put the pot over the stove. So we need to put it to the lowest fire possible. All right, this is the lowest that my stove can go. If you can go even lower, you can go and do that. All right, and then we just put the pot over the fire, and now all we have to do is wait. Okay, so as you can see, the water is starting to bubble at the sides. So this means that the foaming is going to happen very soon. Don't walk away, because if you walk away, the foam will overflow and cause a big mess on your stove. Okay, as you can see, it's starting to foam up. So let it foam a bit more. Let it foam, let it foam, let it foam, let it foam. Okay, and then we take it off the stove. Can you see? You let the foam die down. Okay, and now we put it back over the stove once again. And we let it foam some more. Oh, look at that. Okay, and then we let the coffee go back. And then third time. One more time. Okay. Okay. And now our coffee is ready. You get a sieve, alright, and then you just empty your coffee into your mug like this. Now, if you're the kind that likes black coffee, yeah, you can go ahead and enjoy it. Maybe add a bit of water if it's too thick for you, but I personally like to enjoy it with some milk. Now I'll leave you to decide how you want to do your milk, okay? I know some of you might like to froth up your milk or stuff like that, but if you do that, that's not lazy brewing. So this is me making coffee the lazy way. Just cold milk straight out of the fridge into a cup of hot coffee, and you're done. And there you have it, a nice cup of Turkish coffee brewed the lazy way, ready to drink and start the day. So enjoy! Oh my god. This is so good. I wish you could taste what I taste. Well, if you want to, go ahead and try making coffee the Turkish method way. Okay, so see you around. Bye!